Here's my personal tier list on trading strategy. Now, I'm going to start off with just all the S tiers that I personally have traded. Fair value gaps, we got turtle soup, that's amazing. What else we got in here? We got price action by itself, that's an S tier one. Now, these are the ones that you should actually focus on learning no matter what. You should always know fair value gaps no matter what your strategy is. Turtle soups is just a really precise liquidity strategy, and then price action in general is something you should always understand to become a profitable trader. Now, let's dive into some of the ones that I don't think works. Like, first of all, candlestick patterns, complete BS. VWAP, I'd say that has some value to it. I'm going to put it in A tier because you can kind of combine the VWAP with some of these other concepts. Fibonacci is also an A tier. I wouldn't put it in S tier just because I don't think you can actually be profitable in the long term just trading the Fibonacci. But if you combine it with any of these, it's definitely an S tier concept. Another S tier trading concept is definitely going to be liquidity sweeps. Liquidity sweeps by themselves can make you a profitable day trader. Just knowing how the market actually operates and not being deceived by support and resistance. And speaking on the matter of support and resistance, I'm going to put that in C tier. Because support and resistance typically doesn't define clear ranges. If you do support and resistance with fair value gaps, you can actually become profitable. But I believe support and resistance with highs and lows isn't actually going to make you a profitable trader, and you're just deceiving yourself. The last S tier strategy that I see on this list is going to be silver bullet. And the reason why I put silver bullet in the S tier as well is because it doesn't just define price action, but also specific times. Silver bullet happens at specific times every single day. It doesn't just include time, it also includes candle closes and specific concepts that you must use to trade the silver bullet. So silver bullet is definitely an S tier no matter what strategy you're trading. Order blocks are great because they're also an ICD concept, but honestly, order blocks are at the high of the move. And a majority of the time, if your narrative is incorrect and you're trying to trade order blocks, you're going to get stopped out almost instantly because you're literally trading at the high of the move, right next to the highs. Whereas if you understand how liquidity works, you know that if you're trading an order block and there's a high right above, if the high wants to get taken out before the move runs down, you're going to get stopped out, and then it's actually going to run from a liquidity sweep. EMAs like VWAP can help you kind of determine or add to the strategy that you're actually using, but by themselves are not going to make you profitable, nor are they going to help you in any way to actually understand how the market moves. SMC is like an off-branded ICT with some incorrect concepts that I'd honestly say deceive a lot of beginner traders that just don't learn from the source themselves. If you're learning any ICT concepts, learn from ICT himself and actually understand how the market works.